Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Would you like to play several short videos seamlessly as a single file? In this video, I will recommend the best editor for merging multiple videos on your Windows computer out of all the programs I tried. Let's go. Right now, this tool is my personal favorite because it eliminates the need for separate editors. It offers a variety of editing features such as video and image enhancement, conversion, and compression, all accessible from one dashboard. The standout feature? Its dedicated merging function lets you effortlessly combine videos even without advanced editing skills. Do you want to try it now? You can use my link below to download the software directly and enjoy a free trial offer for first-time use to fully experience all features. Once the software is installed on your computer, select the Merger sub-feature in the More Tools dashboard. Then click Add Files to upload all the video clips you want to combine. After adding all the videos, the next step is to set the output format. Below the Merge window, click the down arrow button and select your preferred output from the Video tab. You can also set a custom resolution for the output video of up to 8K quality. When everything is set, click Merge All to start combining all the imported clips into one video. Finally, when the process is complete, navigate to the Finished tab to find where the video is saved on your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.